Welcome to Harbury Fields Caravan Park. It's a family-run caravan park which is clean, tidy, really good pitch sizes with water and electric on every single pitch. You have 2 toilet block facilities with showers, plus you've got grey waste, chemical waste and a beautiful dog walk. Check-in is at 1 p.m. at Harbury Fields and check-out is at noon. On arrival, go to reception. There's no allocated pitches, so it's whatever pitches are available. We were lucky enough to get 13. This is the toilet block, one of 2. This is the ladies, and it has two shower rooms, 2 toilets. It's very clean facilities. That's all you need. We're self-sufficient, but I have used the facilities. Walking around the park, you'll see everybody's spaced out nice and evenly. I mean, you've got a lot of privacy. This here is the dog walk. It's gated, and the dogs are actually allowed to be off the lead at this point. As you continue down the dog walk, it goes into open fields, and again, that's accessible to you. There's dog waste bins, and I'd encourage you to use them. We always do, but unfortunately, some people didn't. But it's a beautiful walk, and as you can see, you've got all the surrounding countryside. It's just lovely, and it's lovely for Ted to be able to run free, off the lead. He's safe, no roads, and as you can see, there's Ted running into the distance.
Shall I say a joke? Hey, are you just chilling? It's okay.
And these lambs are 24 hours old. Look. You're so cute. Hope you've enjoyed our little tour of Harbury Fields. We're here for the Easter weekend now, and if you've enjoyed watching, please subscribe. It's free to do so. Take care.